This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web, great pricing and customer service. Contractor discount once signed up with an account. Link in description below.
Alright guys, this is the next giveaway. We're going to see what they sent me. Value Testers is the sponsor for the channel, and he's the one that sends me the stuff to do giveaways with. Big tool company on the web. They're the ones that sponsor these giveaways. So let's see what we got. Klein Tools Combustion Gas Leak Detector. That must be for like gas. Pretty cool. Klein Tools. Combustion gas leak detector for AAA batteries, storage pouch, and instructions. So that's to check for like gas leaks. That's going to be the next giveaway. Klein Tools. Nice little flexible wand there. Probably 2 feet. That's where the batteries go in the back here. On-off button. Comes with the instructions. Nice little pouch. Very cool. Always good to have a nice leak detector around. There you go. It's going to be the next giveaway. Put the batteries in here and put it back in the box. There you go. Klein Tools Combustion Gas Leak Detector.
How you doing, guys? Steve Lav here. We're going to do a giveaway. This giveaway is sponsored by Value Testers, the tool company, the company that sponsors my channel. And this is what you need to do to win. Okay? One, you have to leave a comment in this video with Value Testers and Klein Tools. That has to be in the comment. You can say the other stuff you want, but that has to be in the comment, because I'm going to pick a winner from this video. Number 2 must be a U.S. resident only due to shipping. 3, leave only 1 comment. I get guys leave 5, 6 comments. I mean, that ain't going to help you to win, because I go through it, and if you have more than 1 comment, I'm just going to delete all the comments. 4, I will pick a winner in 1 week. Okay? And like I said, that has to be in the comment. Value Testers and Klein Tools. All right? Hopefully you guys win.